Alex. It's Gina at 5285 and a half, State Route 721, Bradford. It's about 11:56 a.m. Texted you and sent video and pictures this morning around 8:30. This is what's still coming in the window. That's up at the top. There's here. This is the window here in the kitchen. There's the hallway. My appliances. If I move this table away from the wall, just more water is going to end up on the floor. We did unplug stuff this morning from that plug. When we came out here, there was water on the floor. There's still water on the floor because it's still getting in, but I'm leaving the table there or else the puddle is just going to be bigger in the wall. Like I said, it's between 11:56 a.m. and 12 noon. We have to leave here at 2. We have to be in Vandalia at our attorney's office about the child support, or not child support, but child custody for Isaiah, Philip's son. So, just making you one more video of this, and that's it. Thank you.